This is how you verify your identity on the Klarna app. So download the app if you haven't already and open it, and this should be your home screen. Here you'll see a sign in button on the bottom. Simply tap on it after you choose where you live. After you tap on it, simply fill up your phone number or email address and tap on continue. Here, Klarna app says a code has been sent to your phone number or email. Simply check your email or your phone number, then type in the code. And after you type in the code, you are now logged in, and this is how you can verify your identity. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.